So just leaving where I left off, I'm just going to add in the tracking source, which is AdWords. So this tracking number we've bought here is just purposely for AdWords. Save and continue. Your savings have been saved, or your settings have been saved. Now I'm just going to go through this. English UK, Awesome Alice. Yeah, all good to go. This is all fine. Okay. Next thing to do is get the tracking code. We're gonna paste this into GTM. So add new. Call tracking metrics. Custom HTML. Paste that bad boy into there. All pages. Save.